What are you seeing from VMware's perspective in enterprise demand? Are sales cycles lengthening? Are there certain fundamental things that customers are still demanding just as strongly?
Yeah, thank you. It's great to be here. So what we are seeing generally in our business, we are tied to how the customers think about their digital transformation journey and the adoption of multi-cloud. And we have seen all those trends continue in the second quarter as normal. And because this is once in a generation transformation, we expect it to continue well into the second half as well. Having said that, we are not immune to any sort of macroeconomic considerations, but in the world of digital transformation and cloud, we saw good demand for our products in Q2 and continue to see in Q3.
Okay, and you're no longer calling it VMworld, you're calling it VMware Explore, I believe. So tell me about VMware Aria and the multi-cloud, the latest multi-cloud management push that you're making. How is this going to be additional? What's new in it that customers can't get elsewhere?
Yeah, absolutely. Great question. So to address the first part of what you said, when we started this conference, it was a conference for data center professionals. But as in the last few years, especially, our strategy has broadened to encompass helping customers on their cloud journey, whatever cloud they want to be on. That's why it's become a multi-cloud event. And what we are attracting now are the multi-cloud professionals. And Aria is exactly a product for the multi-cloud community. Aria solves the problem of managing all of your applications across Amazon, AWS, and Azure, and Google, and your on-prem data centers, et cetera. So that's the problem it solves. As you well know, customers find themselves very quickly putting a lot of applications everywhere as they build out their digital infrastructure. And as a result, spending sometimes goes out of control, security goes out of control, management goes out of control. Aria solves all of those problems.
Raghu, it's Deirdre. I know you're bullish on your subscription model. You said in the past it's easier to cross-sell and upsell. I wonder, are you considering or have you considered a consumption-based model? I know there was concerns in an economic downturn. It hadn't really been tested or proven, but if you look at what Frank Slootman and Snowflake are doing, is it telling you that that could work? It could actually maybe be more successful in a downturn when companies are looking to scale back costs?
Yeah, these are all related models that are, I would say, along a spectrum. And it really depends on the category of the product and the business that you're in. For developer-centric businesses, we certainly think consumption models will work well. And if you look at our Tanzu portfolio, there are aspects of it that are available as a consumption model. On the other hand, the core infrastructure offerings, customers like to know what they're going to be spending in terms of their infrastructure this year and next year and the year after. And so a subscription model works for that. So we support both.
Are you able, Raghu, to do any M&A during this period where there's this Broadcom overhang? Right now, there's a lot of activity in private companies, whether it's private equity or some consolidation, and some might think there's some risk of you missing out.
Yeah, so we continue to operate as a standalone company, operating with our continued multi-cloud strategy and executing against it, both organically and inorganically. And certainly there are certain rules of the road during this time, but we can execute inorganic moves should we choose to.
All right. Well, we'll continue to track your progress because this multi-cloud trend certainly has legs. Raghu, thank you, CEO of VMware.
Thank you so much.